Hello students of class 9. Today I will discuss about the social science project. You will have to make a project on social science. So let us discuss about it. You will write your project in a LACE file. Inside of the file will look like this. On the right hand side it will be ruled pages. On the left hand side it will be white page. You will write your project on the ruled side and you will paste pictures on the white side. Do not use red, pink, green or orange colors to write down the project. The project has to be handwritten and the handwriting should be clean. So let us discuss about the project. This will be the cover of the project. You will have to write project report on social science, topic disaster management, name, class, section, roll number. The next page will be certificate page. This page has to be in printed format. It will be provided as PDF in the classroom. The next page after certificate will be the acknowledgement page. This page will also has to be in printed format. It will be provided as PDF in the classroom. So let us discuss about the project disaster management. The next page after acknowledgement will be the index page. Here you will write serial number, topics, page number and teacher's signature. Okay, here you will write in the topics part introduction, types of disaster, natural disaster, man-made disaster, disaster management, importance of disaster management, disaster preparedness and last conclusion. So let us discuss about the subtopics in the disaster management project. These are the subtopics about which you have to describe in the project. Introduction, types of disaster, natural disaster, man-made disaster, disaster management, importance of disaster management, disaster preparedness and conclusion. So let us discuss about the subtopics. First is the introduction. A disaster is a sudden calamitous event that seriously disturbs the functioning of a community or society and causes human, material and economic or environmental losses that exceed the community's or society's ability to cope using its own resources. These will be provided as PDF in the classroom. Next is the types of disaster. Here we have two types of disasters, natural disasters and man-made disasters. Natural disasters are naturally occurring. These are flood, drought, earthquakes. Paste relevant pictures of each of the natural disaster on the white side of your project file. Then comes the man-made disaster. Here we have road accidents, building collapses, terrorist attacks. Again paste relevant pictures of each man-made disaster on the white side of your project file. Then comes the disaster management. Disaster management can be defined as a organization and management of resources and responsibilities for dealing with all humanitarian aspects of emergencies, particularly preparedness, response and recovery in order to lessen the impact of disaster. Next comes the importance of disaster, and we have disaster management in the curriculum of schools, colleges and universities will make the educated youth address these crises with their knowledge, self-confidence and survival skills in lesser times. Awareness among the students community will help build a better, stronger and resilient nation. Then we have the disaster preparedness. Here we have mitigation, rescue, relief, rehabilitation. These are the points of disaster preparedness. And lastly we have conclusion. Here you have to write what you have learned from this project, and this is a sample of the project. Okay, this is just an example of how the project should be done. Okay, you can use your own ideas, own creation. You have to use some pictures also Okay, so you will use your own idea and you can apply your own ideas in this project. Okay, now coming to the next part is the bibliography. Okay, here you have to write, I have searched and gathered information from the following sources. You have to write the sources there, like NCERT textbook class 9, www.google.com, and any other source from where you can gather information about. So this is the process how you will have to make your project. I hope the video will be helpful to you. Thank you for watching.